Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First and foremost, I want to thank the Scouts for the good work they have portrayed here today. I have the following points to put across. Number one is cleanliness. You should observe cleanliness every day when coming to school. On the side of boys, you should shave or trim your hair short. Second is school uniform. You should wear the right and appropriate school uniform. On the side of girls, you should wear the correct school uniform, especially the trousers. 3 is cooperation with the teachers on duty. This week, most of you have cooperated with the teachers who are on duty, and I want you to continue with the same next week, God willing. Third is, as you can see, our candidates, grade 9, are doing exam. I want you to give them a humble time, and by doing that is to minimize noise making. So class governors, please minimize noise making in class. Third, as you know, today is Friday. You should go home with enough homework and then submit them on Monday, God willing. Now, with those few remarks, let me welcome the Senator for Upper Primary, Abdulmalik Mohamed.